Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Black Friday is just around the corner. Now I know what you're thinking, Dave. You want me to go into that mess? No sir, no ma'am, that's not what we're about here. We're smarter than that. We're about being prepared and about saving money while we do it. We need to be frugal, we need to be wise, and we need to know a good deal when we see one. That's why I'm fired up about today's video. We're diving deep into Walmart's Black Friday ad, folks, and let me tell you, they've got some steals and deals that'll make your head spin. So buckle up, grab your shopping list, and let's get ready to save some serious cash. All right, folks, first up on our list is something to keep you warm when the grid goes down. We're talking about an electric heated blanket, and let me tell you, this ain't your grandma's heating pad. This thing is high-tech, energy efficient, and right now, it's on sale for a steal. Walmart has slashed the price on this bad boy, and you can snag one for a fraction of the regular price. Now I know what you're thinking, Dave. Why do I need a heated blanket? Well, let me tell you, when the power goes out in the dead of winter, you're going to be wishing you had one of these babies. It's not just about comfort, folks, it's about safety. Hypothermia is a real danger when the temperatures plummet, and staying warm can be the difference between life and death. This heated blanket is an investment in your well-being, and at this price, it's a no-brainer. Don't wait until it's too late, folks. Get yourself down to Walmart or online and grab one of these while they last. Trust me, you'll thank me later when you're snuggled up warm and toasty, while the rest of the world is shivering in the dark. You know how important a good night's sleep is, especially when you're prepping for the unexpected? Well, Walmart's got you covered with an incredible deal on a down alternative comforter. This thing is plush, luxurious, and perfect for snuggling up in when the world outside feels a little too chaotic. Now I know what you're thinking, Dave. A comforter. Isn't that a little extravagant for a prepper? Listen, folks, there's nothing wrong with a little comfort, especially when it comes to getting a good night's sleep. When you're well rested, you're more alert, more focused, and better equipped to handle whatever challenges come your way. This down alternative comforter is perfect for those chilly nights, whether you're hunkered down in your home or riding out a storm in a temporary shelter. It's lightweight, packable, and provides incredible warmth without the bulk. And the best part? It's on sale for a fraction of the regular price. That's right, folks. You can snag this luxurious comforter without breaking the bank. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to upgrade your sleep game and prepare for whatever comes your way. Next up, we're talking about having a plan for unexpected guests, or maybe you need a place to sleep when the unexpected happens. Now, I'm not talking about those fancy inflatable mattresses that deflate if you look at them wrong. I'm talking about a sturdy, reliable portable folding bed that can handle whatever you throw at it. And you know what the best part is? Walmart has a fantastic deal on a 75-inch portable folding bed that's built to last. We're talking about a heavy-duty steel frame, a comfortable mattress, and a compact design that's easy to store and transport. Now I know what you're thinking, Dave. What kind of unexpected guests are we talking about here? Well, it could be anything, folks. Maybe your neighbors need a place to stay after a natural disaster. Maybe you've got family coming in from out of town. Or maybe, just maybe, you need a reliable place to sleep when your home isn't an option. Whatever the reason, this portable folding bed is a smart investment. It's an essential piece of preparedness equipment that can provide a comfortable place to sleep when you need it most. Shelter. You never know when you might need to evacuate your home, whether it's due to a natural disaster, a power outage, or some other unforeseen circumstance. That's why it's crucial to have a reliable shelter solution ready to go at a moment's notice. And you know what's perfect for that? A good old-fashioned tent. But we're not talking about those flimsy tents you used to take camping as a kid. We're talking about a sturdy, weather-resistant, 4-person pop-up tent that can withstand the elements. And guess what? Walmart has an incredible deal on one right now. That's right, folks. You can snag a high-quality pop-up tent for a fraction of the regular price. This tent is easy to set up, spacious enough for a small family, and built to last. It's perfect for bugging out, camping, or providing temporary shelter in an emergency. Don't wait until disaster strikes to realize you need a shelter. Head on over to Walmart and grab one of these incredible pop-up tents while they're still on sale. Cooking. You know how important it is to be able to prepare your own food, especially when times get tough. But what if you don't have access to electricity? That's where a good old-fashioned hand crank mixer comes in handy. Now you might be thinking, Dave, a hand crank mixer? Isn't that a little old-fashioned? There's something to be said for simplicity and reliability. A hand crank mixer doesn't require any electricity, it's easy to use, and it can handle a variety of mixing tasks. And you know what the best part is? Walmart has a fantastic deal on a Costway KitchenAid knockoff that's built to last. This thing is a workhorse, folks. It can mix dough, batter, and even grind meat. And at this price, it's a steal. Don't miss out on this opportunity to add a versatile and reliable tool to your preparedness kitchen. Food storage. You know how important it is to have a well-stocked pantry, especially when it comes to prepping. But what about those perishable foods? That's where a chest freezer comes in handy. Now I know what you're thinking, Dave. A chest freezer? Isn't that a little overkill? Listen, folks, a chest freezer is an investment in your family's well-being. It allows you to stock up on sales, preserve garden produce, and have peace of mind knowing you have a reliable source of food, no matter what. And you know what the best part is? Walmart has an incredible deal on a chest freezer right now. That's right, you can snag a spacious, energy-efficient chest freezer for a fraction of the regular price. This is the perfect opportunity to upgrade your food storage game and ensure you have enough food to weather any storm. Don't wait until the shelves are empty to realize you need more storage space. Food preparation. You know how important it is to have versatile tools in the kitchen, especially when you're prepping for the unexpected. That's why I'm so excited about this next deal from Walmart. They have a fantastic sale on Ninja blenders, folks. These blenders are known for their power, durability, and versatility. They can handle everything from smoothies and soups to grinding nuts and seeds. And at this price, the Ninja blender is a steal. Don't miss out on this opportunity to upgrade your kitchen and make healthy eating a breeze. Head on over to Walmart and grab one of these incredible blenders while they're still on sale. Let's talk about laundry. You know how important it is to have clean clothes, especially when you're dealing with an emergency situation. But what if you don't have access to a washing machine? That's where a portable washing machine comes in handy. Now, I know what you're thinking, Dave. A portable washing machine? Isn't that a little excessive? Listen, folks, a portable washing machine is a game changer when it comes to off-grid living or emergency preparedness. It allows you to wash your clothes without electricity, which can be a lifesaver in a grid-down situation. And you know what the best part is? Walmart has an incredible deal on a portable washing machine right now. That's right. You can snag a compact, efficient, and easy-to-use portable washing machine for a fraction of the regular price. Don't wait until you're stuck with a mountain of dirty laundry and no way to wash it. Bread, folks. Homemade bread is healthier, it's tastier, and it's a lot more affordable than store-bought bread. But what if you don't have the time or energy to bake bread from scratch? That's where a bread maker comes in handy. Now, I know what you're thinking, Dave. A bread maker? Isn't that a luxury? Listen, folks, a bread maker is an investment in your health and your wallet. It takes the guesswork out of bread making and allows you to enjoy fresh, homemade bread anytime you want. And you know what the best part is? Walmart has an incredible deal on a bread maker right now. That's right, you can snag a high-quality, easy-to-use bread maker for a fraction of the regular price. This is the perfect opportunity to start baking your own bread and save money on groceries. Last but not least, let's talk about cookware. You know how important it is to have durable, reliable cookware, especially when you're prepping for the unexpected. And when it comes to cookware, you can't go wrong with cast iron. Now, I know what you're thinking, Dave. Cast iron? Isn't that heavy and difficult to clean? Listen, folks, cast iron is an investment. It's virtually indestructible. It cooks evenly, and it can last for generations with proper care. And you know what the best part is? Walmart has an incredible deal on a cast iron set right now. That's right, you can snag a complete set of cast iron cookware, including a skillet, a Dutch oven, and more, for a fraction of the regular price. This is the perfect opportunity to upgrade your cookware collection and be prepared to cook up a storm no matter what. Well, folks, there you have it. 10 incredible Walmart Black Friday deals that will help you get prepared without breaking the bank. Remember, prepping doesn't have to be expensive, and it's always better to be prepared than caught off guard. Be sure to act fast because these deals won't last long. What are you waiting for? Head on over to Walmart and start prepping like a pro. Happy prepping, folks.